Hello students, today we are going to study about subtraction of fractions. So first of all, we will study about subtraction of like fractions. Okay. As you all know, fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. So there is one formula for this. Difference of like fractions equal to difference of numerators upon common denominator. Difference of like fractions equal to difference of numerators upon common denominator. Understand it by the example. Example number 1. 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. So as you can see that these both fractions have the same denominator. So these are like fractions. According to the formula, difference of the numerators. So first numerator 7 minus the second one 2. And upon common denominator. So common denominator is 9. 7 minus 2, 5 upon 9. So answer is 5 upon 9. See one more example for this. 11 whole 4 upon 7 minus 6 whole 2 upon 7. So children, when we are getting the question in the form of mixed numbers, so first step, we are changing these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 7 into 11, 11 sevens are 77 plus 4, 81 upon 7 minus 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 2, 44 upon 7. Now these two like fractions are here. 81 upon 7 minus 44 upon 7. The same step will follow. Difference of numerators. Difference of numerators. The first numerator 81 minus the second one 44 upon common denominator. So our common denominator is 7. So find out the answer. 37 upon 7. Now this answer is in the form of improper fraction. Children, when we are getting our answer in the form of improper fraction, we are changing it into mixed number. So how will we change it? I told you earlier also. Now see this. You are dividing your numerator by your denominator. 7 5s are 35 and 2 is remainder. So what is your quotient? 5 will be the whole number, remainder 2 will be numerator and denominator will not be changed. So your answer is 5 whole 2 upon 7. I hope you understand how to subtract like fractions or how to find out the difference of like fractions. Now we'll see how to find out the difference of unlike fractions. So as you all know, fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fraction. So there are some steps we have to follow in this. Understand it by the example. Example number 1. 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. So the first step, to find out the LCM of different denominators. So our different denominators are 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So find out the LCM of 4 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2s are 4. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Now, why we have find out this LCM? To make the denominators same, to change the fractions into like fractions, so that we can find out the difference easily. So see this, 3 upon 4, you have to change your denominator into your LCM. How will we do this? By the equivalent fractions. So by what we'll multiply 4 to get 8? 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. If we are multiplying by 2 in the denominator, so the same number means by 2 we'll multiply in the numerator also. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. The next fraction is 5 upon 8. The same thing we'll do here. Read the table of 8 to get 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8. 5 upon 8. So now we got two like fractions here, 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8 equal to 6 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. As you know by the formula, difference of the numerator upon common denominator. So 6 minus 5 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 8. So our answer is 1 upon 8. When we are, children, this is the proper fraction. If we are getting our answer in the form of improper fraction, so we are changing our answer into mixed number. I hope you understand it. I'll give you one more example. See the example number 2. Our question is 4 whole 1 upon 6 minus 3 whole 2 upon 9. Children, when we are getting our question in the form of mixed number, what are we doing? We are changing our mixed number into improper fractions, right? So see, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 6, right? The next one, 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29 upon 9. So now we got two fractions here, 25 upon 6 minus 29 upon 9. Now we'll follow the same step as we have done in the previous question. We have two different denominators here, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Now we'll find out the LCM of 6 and 9. 2 3s are 6, 9 you can't divide. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18. What is our LCM? 18. The same thing we'll do. The next step, 25 upon 6. Now you have to convert your 6 into 18. Now read the table of 6 where 18 comes. By which number you'll multiply 6 to get 18? Of course by 3. Of course by 3. 6 3s are 18. Why we are doing this? To make the denominator same, or to change the fractions into like fractions so that we can find out our difference or addition easily. So if we are multiplying by 3 in the denominator, so we'll multiply by 3 only in the numerator also. 25 3s are 75 upon 18, right? Now our next fraction, 29 upon 9. 9, read the table of 9. How will we change 9 into 18? 9 multiplied by 2 equal to 18. So 29 multiplied by 2. Because we have multiplied by 2 in the denominator, so we'll multiply by 2 in the numerator also, and we'll get the equivalent fraction. 58 upon 18. So now we get two like fractions, 75 upon 18, 58 upon 18. Now we'll find out the difference. 25 upon 6 minus 29 upon 9 equal to, in place of 25, 75 upon 18 minus 58 upon 18, right? Now the formula you know, the difference of the numerators upon common denominator. Difference of the numerators. The first numerator 75 minus the second one 58, right? And the common denominator 18. Now subtract it. Seventeen upon 18. What is our answer? 17 upon 18. Again I am repeating, this answer is in proper fraction, so we will not change it. If we are getting our answer in the form of improper fraction, so we are changing it into mixed number. I hope you understand how to find out the difference of like fractions and unlike fractions. For like fractions, I told you difference of like fractions equal to difference of numerators upon common denominator. And for unlike fractions, some steps are there. If your question is given in the form of mixed number, so you are changing these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then you are finding out the LCM of your different denominators. The third step, you are changing your fractions into like fractions by using the equivalent fractions. Okay, then you are finding out difference of the like fractions and the answer. If answer is in the proper fraction, you are leaving it. If answer is in the improper fraction, you are changing that improper fraction into mixed number. I hope you are understanding it. Thank you so much.